The introduction of the Apple iPhone 15 series is still months away, but speculations and leaks concerning the devices keep circulating. With the introduction of the emergency SOS via satellite feature in the iPhone 14, Apple's smartphone gained access to satellite communication. One of its partners has made a suggestion that the iPhone 15 would build on it by adding more satellite-focused features. Globalstar, in a recent FCC filing, Apple's satellite connection partner, spoke about these possibilities. In particular, the business rebutted T-Mobile's assertions that SpaceX would be providing satellite internet to current handsets. In response, Globalstar pointed out that the emergency SOS by satellite feature on the iPhone 14 utilizes MSS to power its emergency communications. According to the business, the transceiver provides two-way messaging between users and emergency services and enables users to initiate emergency conversations. Currently, Apple's emergency SOS versus satellite limitations include the inability to transfer anything over a satellite link. There is potential for satellite communications in a less urgent situation when lives are not in danger. This means that your messages get sent via satellite, which sends them to the recipient as a regular text message. However, bandwidth is limited and the feature only allows you to send the bare minimum, such as details on your location and what the emergency is, which is fine for emergency situations. You can continue to communicate even if there is just one active satellite connection, since it also works in reverse. It's precisely the type of feature that may appear in next iPhone models, perhaps as early as the iPhone 15. The infrastructure to transfer messages from the satellite is already there, but the transceiver permits two-way communications. It's one thing to make sure people can contact emergency services when there is no cell service, but it appears there are plans to expand the iPhone's satellite capabilities. It will be interesting to see how the emergency SOS via satellite feature develops over the following years. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.